Oh god, I hear like heartbeats.
You have the like thumping?
There's like, yeah, what's this?
I have no idea.
A new thing?
He added so many things. Hey, a fire escape. Oh.
Oh.
Is it?
I don't think, try it.
Go for it.
No, you do it. You do. Oh fuck! What is that?
Oh, what the
Soup!
fuck?
Soup! No! Fuck! Oh god, I'm gonna get lost. Oh, I'm so lost. Oh fuck! What the? Who took a picture of me? Oh shit. Okay.
No more, please.
Oh fuck! Getting flashbang. Soup! Oh my god. No!
What was that? What was that? It's the cat smell.
Wow.
This is definitely gonna kill me.
Oh,
Killed it.
what happened?
And then the fire gets right here.
Okay, it's not a fake one. That's funny.
Right where I died.
This
Oh,
little
you should've
guy
See him on the ground.
is so cute.
Soup's honorary captain.
Hopefully you'll just stay in here now.
I thought the snail was supposed to be scary. This is just a cat.
Yeah, this is just a cat.
Oh, that's scary.
I need a witness.
I'm here.
Oh, perfect. I want to back up.
Hit it. Oh! Is that what you wanted?
No, I wanted something cool to happen.
Oh hey, I hear people.
You come for the rest of us, bro.
What is that music?
Welcome to our merry band.
Oh my god!
This epic quest. Join us, young traveler.
The Whisk
I'm supposed to feel
Bard!
inspired.
I feel so inspired.
I'm still playing.
It's still fucking going. This bard is playing while I look. Your music inspires me so much.
Kill him.
My indoor's full.
Put it in his direction.
Throw it at him.
No!
I'm pretty sure that's all I do.
Excuse me, good sir.
What killed him?
What?
What just happened?
What did you do?
Find the guitar.
Oh!
Okay.
Wait! I'll get him. I don't like the footsteps. Find the exit! Down?
The violin. Hold on. Are they both playing?
Yes! Oh my god, we don't want to go through here! He's literally guarding the exit.
You wanna go that way?
I mean, look.
This is a perilous moment.
Okay.
It's-
Okay. Okay! Oh my god! No! Ah! Get me out! Get me out!
Where's the ship?
Ah! Holy shit! Where's the ship?
I don't know where we even are. Bardic inspiration.
We persevered. Oh god. No.
Worm.
Oh god! Okay! I'm trying! Give me any kind of sprint, please! Okay. Okay. I'm here. Oh my god, that was... Do I go? Come on!
Jump.
You got it! Hello? Jar of pickles! Oh. I heard the microwave. Hello? Oh my god, yes!
Say something a real person would say.
Well, I'm not killing you, so...
That's fair, I guess.
I
I'll allow it.
have a jar of pickles. Is that human enough?
You're right, close.
You got a Play-Doh cube?
Chronos cube?
Oh.
Witness!
Witness.
Holy fuck.
Is that the Attack on Titan theme?
It was. Damn, what a banger.
That's so good. Oh! No way. I fear I'm running in circles. Oh, there you are.
Oh, there's a pool in here?
What? That's wonderful.
You should jump in, because I don't know if it'll kill me.
What?
Let's get... I was gonna say, let's get one of them to jump in.
If they ever show. Oh! It doesn't. Oh, it doesn't. It doesn't.
We opened the box.
Oh my
And you got spray
god.
paint?
Oh wow, this is
Damn, this is like
interesting.
someone's fucking house.
No, literally. Oh, who did it? Tell me the duck story?
What the fuck?
Got any grapes?
There's a head crab
Yeah, he's over here with me. Oh, he's gonna get me. God, I think you guys are above me. I went to the basement level.
We're on the basement. We're on the ground floor.
No, basement. There was... Oh god, I'm getting eaten.
They're down.
Yup, I'm dead, guys.
Konnichiwa!
somewhere.
God.
104 pounds.
The duck!
Why is it bloody?
Bum ba da da. It is bloody!
The baby's crying!
This way.
Probably because you moving a fucking loud horn.
Oh my
Quick,
god.
We gotta get out before it changes.
Oh my god.
Stamina. Oh, it's so big now. Oh god.
Greg?
Greg.
Which then made me question my life choices.
Sorry.
Fuck. Careful, there's a laser that will get you right at the door.
Oh,
I really
awesome.
got lasered as I walked in.
Oh, oh! Damn it!
Probably from the ship.
That's not what I wanted.
What in the fuck?
Table, limited time only.
What the fuck?
Everybody look for the romantic table.
That.
Where? Oh shit.
Guys.
Oh. There was one literally right there that's crazy. What the?
He jumped off the ship.
Oh
He also
no.
called like not. Bye,
Yeah.
Dad.
Oh no! Please.
I had miscalculated my jump.
Yeah, just a little, huh?